Welcome back to Jellies by Jyesh, everyone. Okay, this is a very specific video for a very specific set of people. But are you trying to make a garlic sauce that requires that you emulsify garlic with other stuff, whether it's eggs or lemon? If yes, then there is an important step that you should not skip, and that is slicing out the center of your garlic, or the germ. This part of the garlic has an extremely bitter and just unpleasant taste. And when emulsified, it gets spread into the entire sauce. So it is imperative that you slice out this part of the garlic. Here is how I would slice it out. It's really inconveniently located, if I'm being honest, because it's like right in the middle there. And if you smash the garlic, then it will get spread into the garlic also. So just be careful of the germ of the garlic. That's really it for today. Okay, thank you. Bye.